I'm bringing you on an inspirational walk, and some people would call it Celtic spirituality. I'm not inclined to label it, I just say an inspirational walk.
Okay.
And what the inspirational walk is about for me is, and I'm sharing with you today, is the idea that, let me see, how would I say it? It's rooted in the desert spirituality of Egypt. Egypt. I'll tell you about something about that when we get to the church.
Okay.
So it's the idea that the spirituality that I'm going to share with you kind of has its roots in nature. And it was because the Egyptians, Antony of Egypt, Catherine of Alexandria, they went out into the desert for 7 years as hermits. And then when they had made whatever connection they had to make with the divine, they came back into community, and then they developed whatever their monastic sites, whatever their life journey was. And what I'm saying to you is that, and I won't say any more about it, is that I am totally convinced, as a lot of my buddies are, that our Christianity came from Egypt. And that's why we have this, in the first 1,000 years of our Irish church, a strong connection with nature. So it's the idea that spirituality is based on the natural world, the 4 elements: air, earth, fire and water, and we'll do a few of those today, as many as we can, considering the weather. And that to connect with the divine, you connect it through nature.
Play a game of outs and combs to pass the time away, while listening to traditions old and the legends of Malbane.
I called it Eviction Party with Circus Text, referencing the kind of Gilbert and Sullivan operetta, light operetta side of things, but it's a serious business.